Do you feel tired in the morning even after getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep? If you wake up feeling groggy and sluggish despite sleeping for a solid amount of time, it might be more than just a late night habit or a busy day. Quality sleep and recovery go beyond just the number of hours you spend in bed. What you do before and after you sleep plays a huge role in how rested and rejuvenated you feel. In this video, we're going to dive into the top 5 habits that can help improve your sleep quality and recovery, so you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Whether you're struggling with falling asleep, staying asleep, or simply waking up tired, these habits could be the game changer you need. So, let's get started. 1. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. One of the simplest yet most effective habits to improve sleep quality is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. It might sound basic, but how often do we throw off our sleep routine, especially on weekends? Your body thrives on routine. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends, you help regulate your body's circadian rhythm, which is your internal clock that controls when you feel sleepy and alert. Keeping this rhythm in check makes it easier to fall asleep naturally and wake up refreshed. When you maintain consistency in your sleep schedule, your body naturally adjusts, and your sleep quality improves. This routine helps in the release of melatonin, a hormone that signals the body to sleep. Over time, your body will begin to anticipate sleep at a certain hour and wakefulness at another, reducing the chances of sleep disturbances. Even when things get busy, staying consistent helps you adapt to changes more efficiently. Additionally, consistency doesn't just help you fall asleep faster, it also helps you wake up at the right time without feeling groggy. When your circadian rhythm is properly aligned, you can even wake up without the need for an alarm clock, feeling refreshed and energized. Try sticking to a consistent bedtime for a few weeks, and notice how much better your sleep improves as your body adapts. 2. Optimize the bedroom environment. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, the place where you rest and rejuvenate, so why not optimize it for the best sleep possible? An optimized bedroom environment isn't just about having a comfortable bed or clean sheets. The overall atmosphere plays a huge role in how well you sleep. If your bedroom is too bright, too noisy, or too hot, it can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. To improve the quality of your rest, make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. The ideal temperature for sleeping is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit 18.3 degrees Celsius. This helps your body cool down, which is crucial for entering deep sleep stages. If your room is too warm or too cold, it can prevent you from reaching the most restorative sleep stages. To further optimize your sleep environment, consider using blackout curtains, a sleep mask, or dimming the lights well before bedtime. These tricks can help regulate the amount of light in your room, encouraging your body to prepare for sleep. Noise can also be a major factor in sleep quality. If you live in a noisy area or have a partner who snores, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine. White noise creates a soothing, consistent sound that can block out background distractions. Creating a peaceful, serene environment for sleep is one of the most powerful tools to ensure you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Small changes, like adjusting your temperature or blocking out light, can make a significant difference. 3. Limit blue light exposure before bed. In today's digital world, we are constantly exposed to blue light emitted by our devices, from smartphones to laptops to TVs. However, did you know that blue light can have a detrimental effect on your sleep quality? Blue light interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. When exposed to blue light before bed, your body gets confused into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep at night. To combat this, try to avoid screens for at least 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Instead of scrolling through your phone or watching a movie, try engaging in relaxing activities like reading a physical book, journaling, or doing some light stretching. These activities allow your mind to unwind and prepare for sleep. Many devices today have a night mode or blue light filter option, which can reduce the impact of screen exposure in the evening, but it's still best to limit screen time altogether. If you absolutely must use your devices, consider investing in blue light blocking glasses or using apps that adjust the screen's brightness according to the time of day. Limiting your blue light exposure at night will help your body release melatonin naturally and prepare for a restful night of sleep. Over time, this practice will make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, improving your overall sleep quality. 4. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. How you prepare for bed is just as important as the sleep itself. A well-established, relaxing bedtime routine helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and transition into a restful sleep. After a hectic day, jumping straight into bed without preparing yourself can make it harder for your body and mind to relax. Taking a few moments to unwind with calming activities helps to reduce stress, calm your nervous system, and set the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. One simple yet incredibly effective way to prepare for sleep is by taking a warm bath before bed. The warm water not only relaxes your muscles but also raises your body temperature slightly. When you step out of the bath, your body naturally cools down, mimicking the body's natural cooling process before sleep. This cooling effect promotes relaxation and helps your body prepare for rest. You can also indulge in other calming activities like reading a book or practicing mindfulness and deep breathing exercises. These activities help shift your focus away from the stresses of the day and guide your body into a calm state. Yoga or light stretching is another great way to release any tension built up throughout the day. Gentle movements can help relax your muscles and prepare your body for rest. Another wonderful practice to integrate into your evening routine is meditation. Meditation allows you to clear your mind of any clutter and stress, lowers your heart rate, and induces a state of calm. Focusing on your breath for even a few minutes before bed can work wonders for quieting a busy mind and easing tension from the day. By sticking to a consistent bedtime routine, you train your body to naturally expect sleep when it's time. Over time, this habit will make it easier for you to fall asleep and improve the quality of your rest, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated each day. 5. Limit caffeine and alcohol in the evening. While caffeine and alcohol may seem harmless, they can significantly affect your sleep quality if consumed too close to bedtime. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate, is a stimulant that can keep you awake long into the night. Caffeine blocks the adenosine receptors in your brain, which makes you feel alert and awake. This can interfere with your ability to fall asleep, especially if consumed within 8 hours of bedtime. To improve your sleep, make it a habit to avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and evening. If you're someone who drinks coffee or tea regularly, try switching to herbal teas like chamomile or lavender, which are known for their calming properties. Herbal teas are not only soothing but also promote better sleep without the stimulating effects of caffeine. Alcohol, on the other hand, may make you feel drowsy initially, but it disrupts your sleep cycle later in the night. Alcohol interferes with the REM, rapid eye movement, sleep phase, which is the most restorative stage of sleep. While you may fall asleep faster after drinking, alcohol reduces the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling groggy and fatigued the next day. To ensure better sleep and recovery, avoid consuming alcohol too close to bedtime. Limiting both caffeine and alcohol in the evening will help you achieve deeper, more restful sleep. There you have it, 5 habits that will significantly improve your sleep and recovery. By adding these simple yet powerful habits to your daily routine, you'll notice a major boost in your energy levels and overall health. It's all about making small adjustments to achieve big results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. We love helping you create positive change, and we can't wait to bring you more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.